Namaskar, I am myself Dr. Garg. Today we are going to talk on 5 main hair loss causes and treatment for men. I am going to tell you the causes, what most 5 important causes of hair loss and what you can do to treat these 5 causes at home and to by doctors. So let's talk the hair loss in the men is a very common and now it is increasing in teenage group. Boys at the age of 20 years now they have started facing the problem of hair loss, baldness, white hair, dandruff, itching and all that. And their confidence is compromised and they need treatment, they need advices, they need some do and don't so they can take care of hair loss and they can make them better at home and if needed with the doctors. The most common cause of hair loss in the men is androgenetic alopecia, so-called AGA, or it is also commonly called as male pattern hair loss. What is the male pattern is? In which you will see most of the men, the lateral side we call is frontotemporal region, and in this picture you can see there is a receding. There is a receding in this zone, and then gradually hairline also goes backward and they may also show hair loss in the crown area. The hair become very thin, growth reduced, length reduced. These are the diagnostic point of androgenetic alopecia. They have a genes at the hair root. Whatever the hairs on the top of head, these from here to here, these hair roots having a one gene that is called as AR gene, which is predominantly is the cause, but there are many other genes which have been diagnosed and detected causing the hair loss in the man. So it's a polygenic in nature, more than one gene is responsible, so we can call it heredity. It can come from mother or father either, but AR gene is mainly linked with X chromosome which comes from the mother. So it is genetic in nature. Then the hormones, there is nothing wrong with the hormone. Testosterone that get converted into DHT by some enzyme, that is 5-alpha reductase type 1 and type 2, it converts to DHT and DHT causes or precipitate the hair loss. So it is the normal testosterone level. So if something you want to prevent this genetic hair loss, this is a very common question. If you have genes of the hair loss, how you can prevent it? Yes, it's a beautiful thing, you must know this. Genetically predisposed hair under the effect of male hormone falls. If you have genes and the hormone is not working, hair is not going to fall. And if you don't have a genes but you have hormone, testosterone or DHT, hair is not going to fall. Like back side of the hair, beard and body hair, they don't have that genes. So that DHT is there but they are not falling. So many of the men you have seen even at the 70 years of the age, they have full head of hair because they are not having genes, but it doesn't mean that they are not male. They are male, they have also a testosterone, they also have DHT, but genes is not there. So to fall hair, both should be there. Then the other hormonal problem like thyroid is also one of the common cause. Other diseases like diabetes and other, they also precipitate or make you vulnerable for the early hair loss. Third cause is the stress. Nowadays, stress is becoming one of the major precipitating cause of the hair loss. I am telling precipitating cause, and it certainly stress releases some neuropeptides. These neuropeptides goes to the hair root and they activate the cascades, and that cascades means the chain of reactions and chemicals are released which causes the early apoptosis, means death of the cell early, leading to hair loss. So stress has also been proved by experiments in the animal that it has caused, and we day to day see the boys who are appearing for especially the examination, competitive exam, PSC services exams, they are complaining of the hair loss. So stress and the lack of sleep. Lack of sleep, why? And in sleep not in the night, not in the darkness. During night if you sleep in the dark area, means the melatonin is secreted, which is a very friendly hormone, and it needs for that, helps in the hair growth. Then fourth cause is your diet. Diet is also the part of lifestyle. We can see nowadays what diet most of the youngsters are taking. They are not consuming proper healthy time at proper time. They are not chewing their food properly. Fast food, do you understand? This is a very bad word. Food, how food can be fast? Neither a food can be prepared fast. If you are preparing fast by under some microwave or heating them too high at low time, means you are burning all the nutrients. So this word should not be used and it should be stopped, what I feel. And another fast food effect is you are eating them fast. So the work which is to be done by the teeth, your intestines are doing it. And now you understand, if crushing is being done, food particle crushing is being done by your intestine, how much pressure that intestine has to undergo, how much work that intestine has to do, stomach has to do. So this fast food mentality, this fast food culture is dangerous. In both way, cooking and eating fast is dangerous for your health. You don't get the proper nutritions which are needed for your body growth, to keep you healthy and to give you healthy hair growth. Now fifth cause is the toxins. Toxins in your food, because food has got a lot of pesticide nowadays and less of the nutrients. Another toxins is in your atmosphere, full of pollution, toxic gases. These are making harmful effect on your body, so as they affect the hair growth as well. Then additory toxins. Additory means you are consuming your own, like smoking, tobacco, too much of the cold drink, too much of the pizza, burger, too much of carbonated drinks, then the other drugs, too much of alcohol. So these all things are directly injurious for your health, and they also directly and indirectly affect your hair growth and precipitates the hair loss. So genes, androgen, stress, diet, and the toxins in the form of tobacco and all that are the 5 major cause of hair loss. Now how to treat? We go in the reverse order. Genes, you can't do anything at home. Make your lifestyle healthy, happy, smiley. Don't be too competitive. Do hard work. It's your time. You have to work hard. You have to grow. But don't at the cost of your health. That is important. Have a proper sleep in the night. Try to have. Eat proper food. Take meal. Of course, you can sometimes take your fast food, but that should be additional, supplemental, not the main meal. Or don't make it a regular habit. Take proper amount of protein, carbohydrate, fat, multivitamins, and the minerals. Fresh fruits, seasonal fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, milk product, egg and fish. These should be added to your food, and they should be consumed regularly. Then do regular exercise. Anything which suits to your system, you should exercise every day. Then comes to your diseases. If you are diabetes, if you are thyroid, if you are other cardiac disease, then consult your doctor and treat them and take proper medicine for that. Then comes to your male hormone. You can't do anything with the male hormone. You can't do anything with your genes. So what you can do, DHT you can reduce. The amount of DHT can be reduced either by medical tablet called as finasteride, which has got some side effect. For that has to be prescribed by the doctor only, and you discuss about that. Another is the dutasteride. If finasteride doesn't work for a year, then and then only dutasteride is being advised, which I never advise. Then there are some food having the property of reduction in your DHT level. The most common is your saw palmetto. You get capsules. Those capsules are having the oil in it. They are available online. Then pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed is also very good. You can consume seed directly, or there are the capsules having the oil of the pumpkin seeds are also available. You can get them in your city or from any online store, and you can consume. They have also effect. So you can see my other videos in which I am explain you what are the DHT blocker foods which can help you if you are not interested in consuming the finasteride. So good diet, exercise, good lifestyle, healthy food you can take. You can also consume saw palmetto, pumpkin seeds. These are going to help you. Even if you have the hair loss, consult your doctor. Thank you very much.